Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Beauharnois local and long distance movers near me. When you're ready to handle a local or long distance move, hiring a cheap Beauharnois moving company is a great option. 3 Movers offers the best moving company for the price. We provide affordable pricing and we give you the high quality service you need. Whether you're moving across the country or down the road, we are ready to help you today. Getting the right team to handle your long distance move is important. We offer the following to help you out: packing services, moving supplies, on time move, and upfront pricing. You can enjoy an easier long distance move when you work with us. Our team will help make sure you get all the right services to make your move of 100 miles or more much easier. Are you trying to handle a local move and you want a Canada moving company to help? There are plenty to choose from, but the right local movers will certainly make a big difference. 3 Movers offers the right team for your local moving needs. Our team knows how to save you a ton of time and energy. A move that might take you all weekend to complete, we can do in a few hours. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Beauharnois moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.